It's hard to sleep when your heart has a war with your mind. Yes, indeed, it's a true statement. When your heart is not gelling with your mind and your mind is not gelling with your heart, it's very difficult to sleep. It's very difficult to even breathe, I would say. Sleeping is far, far beyond that. Very difficult to breathe. But how can we make them all go along with each other? I think for that, we need to understand the reality. I have been always telling in my speeches, in my conversations, that we are lacking one thing in our lives. Most of us, that we are not realistic people. We live most of our time in imaginations. That's the reason we fail or we feel we are failing. And sometimes we are not failing, but we feel we are failing. We are in disaster, but we are not in disaster. So, that I would like to request you all. I don't have any such fight in my life where my heart is fighting with my brain, my mind, and my mind has a misunderstanding with my heart. Reason being, I'm a realistic person. I'm trying to be a realistic person. What is reality? That I have no power in my life. I have little power where I can think, I can try, I can perceive good idea or positive thought. And rest is not in my control. Reason being, reason is this life is not only filled with me only. I have so many people around me. Right now we are 23 members in this room and I have no idea what you're thinking about me. So I cannot decide right now, but I can only try to convince you. If you are able to convince, perfect. If you're not able to, it's completely alright. I have to go with the flow. I have to respect your aspect as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my take for this one. I have no war with my brain, with my heart, or my heart doesn't have a war with my brain doesn't have a war with my heart. Reason being, I am trying to be a realistic, the most person. And if you try to do so, trust me, you will be the most happiest person on this planet, like me. You will have better bonding with your family because you know the reality. Things go wrong, things go right, things go in your favor, things go against you. Sometime that is life. Let's have a bonding with our own self, with our heart, with our mind. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the best ways I have learned in my life from my mentors, from my teachers, from my parents. What are you lacking? Why are you delaying? Please go ahead and be realistic and understand your understanding, understand your control, and life will be in your control. Thank you so much, Mr. Topics Master. Back to you.